Hello. I always get spurts of vlog inspiration after watching my vlogs on Candid Cousin, even though they're so cringy to watch, but I feel like it always reminds me to keep record of things. So I'm checking in now. I actually am in Houston and it is January, or around end of January 2021, and I drove all the way from California to Houston, and I figured it makes total sense to, keep record of this beautiful journey of a year while we're still doing a pandemic. The reason why I'm in Houston is because obviously I went to school here, I have a lot of friends here. I feel like my social calendar is booking up just on a daily basis as well as weekly. Anywho, I'm also working here. I booked an Airbnb, which I'll show you a bit more once the light's out. This is my first time living alone, by the way, too, which has been the best. I love it. It's so great. I thought I'd be really lonely, but I think after taking many solo trips by myself already, I kind of don't care anymore. I feel like I am able to really just do whatever I want for myself and only for myself and on my own time, and I really don't have any obligations, and it's really nice. So took 25 years to get here, but here I am. Did not bring a vlog camera. Actually, my vlog camera broke on my way here. So unfortunately, the only media I have to take videos is this iPhone, which I think is pretty good. So we'll continue that. Honestly, the first week being here and even tonight, I have not set good goals or habits yet. I need to get back to running. I actually ended up running today and went to Herman Park, which was nice, but I need to actually set a schedule and sleep on time, so I'm actually gonna sleep soon. It's 10 o'clock. A couple things I've been doing, just for record here. I picked up chess, and that has been really fun. I was talking to my friend Jennifer last night, and I think that this is such a pivotal year, or just a pivotal time of life for just anyone right now, and we can all kind of grow in a way that's influential and impactful. 12:44 right now on a Thursday, and I am cooking between my meetings. So I have another meeting in like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna make a quick pasta with some spinach here.
There has to be a better way, because everyone knows that's not what it is.
When I was walking over here, there was an 18-wheeler that said Prestige Oysters.
Ooh!
I was like,
love a good
oysters
oyster.
have gold in them or something?
Okay.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib.
Okay, so we are currently at whatever this is.
Meat market, and we got some salsa.
Ooh, yum! And then so we got some tacos. I got 3 tacos.
And we got some gorditas too. Yeah, this is thick.
Thick! I'm so excited. Thank you for taking me here.
You're welcome.
Wow. It is Friday. I have today off, and I think it's kind of timely because last night I'm finally on the train of this crazy stock market situation. Such a weird lighting. Does this help? Okay, no, it doesn't. I just spent an hour at Blendon. Such a cute coffee shop. It just opened today. And I don't know, I was reading a book, I was catching up with some friends, journaled a bit, heading over to get my film developed because I have yet to see those, and I'm really hoping to turn out fine. The settings I had on my film camera were set wrong whenever I shot on the black and white, so I didn't realize that there was an ISO setting here. And I think the black and white should be at 100 and not 400, so we'll see. I'm not very sure, but I'm excited to see the results. If they turn out really well, I feel like there are some pretty solid pieces in there. I'm in the studio here, and apparently I'm just supposed to like put everything here. Oh my god, what the heck. Put it here. Schitt's Creek is... I have just arrived at the farmer's market. I'm meeting up with Adrian and Jeffrey. So it's actually perfect because I do need to get some groceries, so might as well just buy some vegetables here at the farmer's market.
I also want to record my life too.
Yeah.
So it's just like, I'm 24 now.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, look how like...
die in like 50 years.
Jeez, okay, that's a little morbid. As I point to the clouds that are grieving. Happy Sunday! I had a lovely morning. I walked for about 3 miles outside, explored the neighborhood. I'm heading over to Common Bond, which is this coffee shop I loved to go to when I was in college, meeting up with my friend Ahad. And we're going to go see an exhibition in a museum.
The shadows that these cast on walls multiply in infinite ways.
I am finally back. It is 6 p.m. What a day. This new museum that we went to is by far now my favorite because it's so diverse with artists, with its style. The museum is beautiful. It's amazing. It's huge. It has a lot of pieces. It has both local artists, very recent, really old fine art, has some Duchamp in there. It was just beautiful. We spent legitimately 3 hours there, and it's because we were just walking through every single exhibit, reading through everything, and just learning a lot, and I would totally come back here. It's brand new in Houston. Before that, we went to Common Bond for some breakfast, and then went to Uchi afterwards because there was this one art piece that reminded Ahad of the frozen milk dessert in Uchi, Houston. So we went to Uchi because of that and ended up getting some sushi during happy hour, and that was honestly the best spontaneous decision we've ever had.
We take this to market or work together in our one-on-ones to develop. And then feedback from you guys was when we had
A winter collection, and oh my gosh, it's just a bottle. I love water bottles. Yes! Hello everyone. I just realized that having hoops is the perfect way to hold onto your mask. So I'm just gonna be wearing this until I get to Huron's, which is also his birthday today. So me and Jeff actually bought him a Roomba, which I'm super excited because he has no idea we got this for him. And he also has no idea that we're gonna surprise him today on his birthday together, all 3 of us. And this is a huge moment because we've been trying to see each other, all 3 of us in the same vicinity for years. And so this will be the first time we'll all be together, even if it's for like an hour. We're on our way to give you your gift, Huron, but you aren't picking up, so we're just gonna have to come to your door. Hello, we're here with your gift, Huron, but you're in the bathroom.
Now I'm gonna drop your gift.
Yeah, he's gonna drop it. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Oh
Happy
my God.
birthday!
What's in here? A dildo.
You should open it.
This big?
You do realize this is all of us in one vicinity all together.
Did you guys drag her separately?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. No way, a Roomba? This is, wait. I mean, it says it on the box.
Wait, this is perfect.
Hopefully it works.
Yeah, hopefully it works.
I mean, why wouldn't it?
I don't know.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. I mean, they're not anything new, but
I wish I could hug you guys.
got you this. This is the thing that I was gonna
Oh,
give
the
you.
coffee beans.
Yeah. Also,
And-
smell it.
I can.
Okay, yeah. Where do we want to live, guys? Wow.
We may do Instagram if I'm not lazy anymore and can do it, which I doubt, so.
I can't multitask. Oh no. You know what? You can also. Alright, cheers, guys. Wait, I need. Casual Wednesday, grabbing coffee.
Those look like freshly fried. They look like
Freshly fried.
churro donuts.
Yeah, I think they are churro donuts.
What's that? This is like if an indie company's open a Chick-fil-A.
Just took a COVID test right now. I'm gonna ship that to the FedEx office when it's open. But in the meantime, I'm probably gonna drive out to a park and just walk outside and just get active again. And then later today, because it is February 13th, it is Valentine's Day. Technically, I'm gonna see Annie for the day. We're gonna probably cook dinner tonight and watch To All the Boys. So I'm excited for that. happy Sunday. I deliberately woke up to just go run in the bayou because I needed it. Yesterday was just not a good day for me. So my body's telling me to go run. So here I am. I ran like a mile in 90 minutes, I think. No, 1.9 miles in 17 minutes in the cold of like 38 degrees. And yeah, I'm just in my car camping because clearly it's so cold outside and windy. We got some fried rice. Ooh, steamy. Steam. Watching Golden Girls, is that correct?
Yes.
Nice.
I think I watched this episode. It's good.
You hold square.
I love that pole feature.
Yeah, it's
Oh
really cool,
wow,
right?
that looks so fun. You have to hit them.
No, you're not supposed to hit them. Isn't this super satisfying? And then you get to like throw it.
Oh my god. Holy shit. So the long anticipated Houston weather has occurred and it is officially snowing in Houston. I am freezing but somehow packed for the right weather and I'm just gonna walk around because honestly, how long will this last? Probably not for long. My hands are freezing. I didn't bring mittens obviously, so that's that. Legitimately nothing's working here. The lights are out. Batteries are out. I can't even cross the street without pressing anything because it's not working. Good morning. It is Tuesday, February 16th, and oh my goodness, Houston went through a whole power outage. Not even Houston, Texas went through a whole power outage because we weren't able to handle the cold, which just means that the infrastructure here was just not ready for this. So power outages all over the city, all over the state, and there's basically no signal here either. I am freezing. It's 18 degrees outside and I'm wearing 3 whole layers, including my Patagonia underneath here. I'm hoping that Hiram will wake up and host me at his place so I can work because right now there's just no way I can work right now. And I can show you the outside. I think it's gotten more icy today overnight. So let's just check it out together. What the heck? Okay, the snow is gone. But it doesn't mean that it's safe to drive. So I don't know, it's either Damien's place or Hiram's place I can work at because their apartment complexes probably still have power. But it is so cold in here. I don't even know what to do right now. I just want to stay in bed. Ooh, slippery.
I mean,
Finally playing a chess champion here.
Whatever you want.
Nice.
Whatever it works.
I just had the most exciting day today. It is, first of all, 3 a.m. Kevin made some amazing pho, as you can see. And I hung out with Gigi, her boyfriend, and her roommate for the rest of the night until now, which is 3 a.m. And believe it or not, I still got halal, guys. Gotta treat myself for the last weekend I'm here in Houston. This is crazy. Oh my. I mean, just a normal work day, you know?
I was reading an HBR article yesterday, and it was about how to maximize your like day and not like.
Check in on you guys meaning me, aka future me, editing this vlog and watching it by myself. I've had the most draining week and it just never felt like I was gonna get even more drained, but also energized at the same time. And the reason why is because, you know, I'm working on a lot of stuff and it's very impactful, very important, but then I realized that being reactive is not very sufficient, you know? It's not sustainable because all you're doing is just reacting. You're like on it, and then before you know it, you got in a meeting and there's like 15 people on it, just like going all over the place. The entire thing that I was working on for the past day has been just scrapped, basically. So many teams that are having their own conversations that you just don't know what's going on sometimes. So lots of meetings just to coordinate and people in the room, and honestly, I'm glad to be in it, but also am I even qualified or / am I even supposed to be in this meeting? I don't know, but here I am. And I'm also leaving Houston in 2 days, which is crazy to me.
You should pick this up if you can.
Let me see.
It's so damn good. Wait till you taste it.
Okay. Ooh, that's a dollop right there.
Though. Yeah.